Make you move away. Make you move away. Good. Now she's going to come to that oxer, Vicki. Sit up. Sit up. Hold his left side.
Oh, you're in the way. Sorry. It's okay.
Nice ride there. Keep them off that left side. Heel. Good. Good. Let's make him do that again. Just roll through the middle and get that oxer to the end jump again. Because that's him in a heap. Good. Right leg, left rein. Good girl. Good. That's all right. Let's make him do it again. What is doing? So shave your